Most laundry rooms are pretty small, which can make it tough to maximize usage. However, there are a few simple tips that can help you get the most out of your space. First, consider adding shelves or cabinets above your washer and dryer. This will give you extra storage for laundry detergent, fabric softener, and other supplies. Second, try to keep your laundry room as clutter-free as possible. This means setting up a system for sorting dirty clothes and putting away clean clothes in a timely manner. Finally, if your laundry room is located near the garage or another high-traffic area, consider installing a pocket door to help minimize noise and maximize privacy. Improving functionality. Most people use their laundry room on a daily basis, so it's important that the space is both functional and comfortable. First, make sure there is plenty of storage for all of your laundry supplies. This could include shelves, cabinets, or even just baskets. Second, invest in a good quality washing machine and dryer. Not only will this make doing laundry easier, but it will also cut down on noise and vibration. Finally, consider the layout of the room and try to optimize the use of space. You might want to put the washer and dryer next to each other, or install a folding table to make sorting and folding clothes easier. By taking a few simple steps, you can turn your laundry room into an efficient and pleasant space. Storage. Anyone who has ever done laundry knows that it can be a bit of a chore. Not only do you have to sort through clothes, but you also have to keep track of all the different cleaning supplies. You can install shelves or cabinets above your washer and dryer. You can easily grab what you need without having to search through crowded cupboards. Alternatively, you can invest in a rolling cart. This can be stored in a closet or corner and wheeled out when needed. No matter what method you choose, maximizing storage space in your laundry room will make doing laundry a breeze. Sorting. Most laundry rooms are pretty small, so it's important to make the most of the space you have. One way to do this is to sort your laundry into baskets or shelves as soon as you take it off. This will save you time later on when you're actually doing the laundry, and it will also help to keep the laundry room more organized. If you have a lot of laundry, you might want to invest in a few laundry baskets or cubbies. And you won't have to search through a pile of clothes to find what you're looking for. Drying. If you're drying your clothes in a laundry room, chances are the air in there is pretty humid. That's why it's a good idea to have a drying rack in your laundry room. A drying rack provides a place for wet clothes to dry without being exposed to the humid air. You can be sure that your clothes will be completely dry when you take them out of the drying rack. Plus, drying racks are great for air circulation, which helps to keep mildew and mold at bay. So if you're looking for a way to improve your laundry routine, consider investing in a drying rack. Folding and ironing. One of the best ways to have fewer wrinkles in your clothes is to iron them while they are still damp. Steam from the iron will help remove wrinkles. However, not every laundry room is set up for ironing clothes. There needs to be an area large enough to fold clothes out flat, and there also needs to be an outlet for the iron. The ideal solution is to have an ironing board that can be stored away when it's not in use. If space is limited, a small table or countertop can also be used. Just be sure to place a towel or piece of cardboard between the fabric and the surface to protect both the clothes and the furniture. Lighting. Good lighting is important in any room, but it's especially important in a laundry room. Ideally, you'll have a combination of overhead and task lighting. Overhead lighting can be fluorescent or LED, and task lighting is usually best in the form of a strip light under the cabinets. You may also want to add motion sensor lights near the washer and dryer so you don't have to fumble for switches in the dark. With good lighting, your laundry room will be more functional and more enjoyable to use. Utilities and appliances. Most laundry rooms are equipped with a few key appliances and utilities. A washer and dryer are the most obvious examples. But many laundry rooms also include a sink and counter space for folding clothes. Many homeowners choose to install a cabinet or shelving unit in their laundry room to store detergent, dryer sheets, and other laundry supplies. While the specific appliances and utilities that are included in a laundry room can vary, these are the most common features. Dog additions. Assuming you have a dedicated laundry room, and not just a closet with a washer and dryer, there are a few things you can do to make it more dog-friendly. Consider where you're going to put your dog's bed or crate. If possible, try to put it in a corner out of the way of traffic. Make sure you have adequate storage for all of your dog's supplies, food, toys, leashes, etc. If your laundry room has a door, be sure to get a pet door installed so your dog can come and go as he pleases. you can turn your laundry room into a space that works for both you and your furry friend. With a little bit of planning, it's easy to create an efficient and effective laundry room that meets all of your needs. By following these simple tips, you can make the most of even the smallest laundry room.